Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Sangma, Henekasngi ula kendui kipat ba, banwan syakmat banwan aitika, kumkalat ban aijing ada nakani kaklam. Ule tu bakadan kajing bom tre banwan syakmat jo kipat ba, banwan aitika. Henry da kajing tre shitom jo kinong tre kakot kakia, hakaba kilalet ban samit, ban pensung tu yaki, kaladan kajing kiu, jom kibawan aitika. Ulay thu ru baka sorkar kan beteng ban pensung thu ikipat ba halor ka jingdon kam ban IT ka kum kalat ban yada nakane ka klam. Ula ong ru bangila yo I kumnu kiri haka perthei ki IT ka bat ka don ka jing yada. Shushu ulay thu ru baka sorkar jella haringkat bat kari barok kawe kilas dang ban IT ka nak bantaki khna ke bakhat san hadu khat prasnem haka ba usembut menteri rangba uba preston tensong ula plepat ba henne kasngi.
Multiple. Of course, number one is the hesitancy. There is no doubt that there is a large hesitancy still there in people's minds regarding vaccination. So that's one. Number two, with the number of cases going down, today we have double-digit cases only, very few cases, active cases. So the number of cases going down also has made people complacent. So they feel that it's not there anymore. So those who have not taken vaccination are not taking vaccination. We've gone for mission mode programs where we have gone and finished a complete village 100% and only 10 left. So you have actually had officers sitting and staying over in villages to complete this. But in spite of that, we are having challenges. Festive season came, so we could not complete. But we saw a huge jump in the past few months of this mission mode and this election mode kind of a campaign we had, and I think we will continue that because we strongly feel, and there's enough evidence to show that nations which have had more vaccination have clearly had lesser hospitalization rates in the Omicron variant also. So we were studying 2-3 different countries, and we were looking at how the vaccination has been in US and how the vaccination has been in other parts of the UK and other nations in Europe, and seeing the comparison of the vaccination versus hospitalization rate. And clearly the reflection and the results are that vaccination is helping. So we must continue to push the vaccination front. But yes, it's been a challenge. As I said, multiple factors are there. But the DCs, in fact, today the Deputy Commissioners were also there in the meeting, and we have asked them to continue this mission mode, election mode form of vaccination. And we once again would like to urge all those who have not taken the vaccination that please do take the vaccination. It is the only way to ensure that we'll be kept safe. A lot of people have doubts that even after vaccination they get COVID, but the important point is it has saved lives. So one may become positive, but it will not lead to hospitalization, is the important message that I would like to give. The booster dose as well as the dosage for 15 to 18 has started today. And in fact, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has launched it today in one of the localities in Shillong. So yes, but it is booster dose is currently only for 60 plus. So I could be wrong in the last 2 days, I don't know the updates, but as far as my information is, it's for 60 plus as of now. And of course 15 to 18 has already started vaccination. I don't have a specific reply to that because it's a very specific head of funds accounts you're asking. But, and I don't know what statement the Honorable Health Minister was referring to. But coming to the health infrastructure that we have created, we've invested a lot and created a lot of infrastructure. In fact, to the extent that in the history of our state, Meghalaya government has actually funded infrastructure even in private hospitals. So it's not just government hospitals, it's not just the districts, not just the PHCs and CHCs, but even the larger hospitals, private hospitals, government has spent. So infrastructure boost has been put as maximum priority, and we've done a lot in that. I don't have the exact figures with me right now, but I don't know the reference that you're talking about. Maybe I can reply to that later.